Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal Online, secure access step by step clearly. To log into Navy Federal Online, start by opening your web browser. Type in the official Navy Federal website address in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Next, type in your password in the password field. Double-check to make sure both your username and password are correct. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to receive and enter your verification code. Once logged in, you will have access to your Navy Federal account dashboard. From here, you can manage your accounts, pay bills, and check your balances. If you encounter any issues, look for the help section on the website for further assistance. Remember to log out of your account when you are finished, especially if you are using a public computer. This will help keep your information secure. Always ensure you are on the official Navy Federal website before entering any personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.